Hi friends, this is question number 3, exercise number 12.2. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, there's a clock. There's a clock. Okay, and this is 12, 3, 6, 9, right? So 4, 5, 1, 2, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, there's a minute clock. Okay, this is the minute clock which has 14 centimeter as its length. Okay, so this is 14 centimeter. So this is a circle, right? This will travel in a circular path, right? This will travel in a circular path. So this is a circle. Whatever the shape of the clock, it will travel in the circular path. Okay, right? So find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So assume that it is in 4. After 5 minutes it will be here in 5. Okay, so we have to find out this area swept swept by the minute hand for 5 minutes. So this is the area, right? So it is in the shape of a circle, the path of the minute hand. Okay, now it is in 4. After 5 minutes it will be in 5, right? Okay, so we have to find out the area swept by 5 minutes. Okay, so the radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, we have to find out this area, no? Okay, actually we know that this total angle is 360 degree for a round, right? Total is 360 degree. Okay, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. Okay, for 60 minutes it is totally 360 degree. For 60 minutes, if it starts from here, it will complete one round with 360 degree and 60 minutes, right? So for 60 minutes it is 360 degree. We have to find out for 5 minutes, right? So what is for 5 minutes? What's the angle for 5 minutes? For 60 minutes it is 360 degree. So what is the angle it will travel for 5 minutes? So what's the angle that? This is 0, 0 cancelled, 6 and 36 are cancelled, 6. So 6 into 5, 30 degree it will travel, 30 degree in 5 minutes, right? So this angle is 30 degree. Now we got the value of the angle for the sector which the minute hand traveled. Okay, now what is the formula for this area of the minor sector? Area of minor sector is equal to, for 360 degree it travels 30 degree, right? 30 degree in 5 minutes. So the total area is pi r squared. Total area is pi r squared. In this, total angle is 360 degree. For 30 degree, how much area the minute hand traveled? அப்போது இந்த 360 டிகிரி டோட்டல், அதில் 30 டிகிரி 5 மினிட்ஸில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுது. அந்த 30 டிகிரிக்கு எவ்வளோ ஏரியா ட்ராவல் பண்ணுதுங்கிறது we have to find out, இல்லைங்களா? ஸோ 30 by 360 into 30 degree by 360 degree into what's the pi value? Is it mentioned we should use it 3.14 in the question? No. So we can take it 22 by 7. Okay, so it is 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7. What is r in this? 14, right? Okay, 14 is, that is r squared, 14 into 14. We can cancel this, 0 0 cancel, and 1 3 is 3, 12 3s are 36, 7 into 14, this is 2 7s are 14. Here we have 12 can be divided by 2 and 6, this can be 7, right? Again this is 6, can be 3, can be 11, right? So that is, it is equal to 11 into 2 into 7, which is divided by 3. Okay, so 2 11s are 22, 22 into 7, 7 2s are 14, 1 7 2s are 14 plus 1 154, right? 154 by 3. So 5 3s are 15, there is 1 3 in 4, balance 1, so 3, again it will be 3, it will go like that. So the area traveled by the minute hand, area traveled by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 51.33 area, no? So this is centimeter squared, right? This is the answer. See the next one. Okay, now question number 4. In this question, actually a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment, major sector, right? Minor segment and major sector. Okay, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, first வந்து ஒரு சர்க்கிளில் ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதை சர்க்கிள்னு அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க, வேறு வழி இல்லை, இதுதான் சர்க்கிள். ஓகே, ஸோ chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter. ஸோ இந்த சர்க்கிளோட ரேடியஸ் this is 10 centimeter. Okay, there is a chord நான் chord will be like this. Okay, this makes with the center, this chord will make with this center right angle அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ரைட் ஆங்கிள்னா என்ன? 90 டிகிரி. வாட் இஸ் ரைட் ஆங்கிள்? ரைட் ஆங்கிள் இஸ் 90 degree. Okay, okay, so we have to find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. First one is we have to find minor segment, right? Second one is we have to find major sector. Okay, okay, now what is minor segment? Segment is this portion, right? This portion is a segment. What is major sector? Sector is this portion up to this, not included this triangle. Okay, this is the sector. நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன், செக்மெண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன? ஒரு சர்க்கிள் இருக்குது, ஒரு கார்டு வந்து அதை பிரிக்குது. இது வந்து மைனர் செக்மெண்ட். ஓகே, இது வந்து மேஜர் செக்மெண்ட். ஓகே, பட் இங்கே என்ன கொஷினில் கேட்டிருக்காங்க? மைனர் செக்மெண்ட்டு. ஸோ இந்த ஏரியா, பட் மேஜர் செக்மெண்ட் கிடையாது, மேஜர் செக்டார். செக்டாருங்கிறது என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம் ஏற்கனவே இருக்குது. இட் இஸ் டிவைட் பை த ஆர். திஸ் இஸ் minor sector, this is major sector. ஓகே, இப்போது நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இந்த மைனர் செக்மெண்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Again we have to find this major sector, not included this triangle. Okay. Okay, இப்போ இந்த segment நம்ம how will we find this segment? We have to find out this minor sector, and from that we have to subtract the area of this triangle. இப்போ பாருங்கள், இந்த டோட்டல் வேல்யூ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். ஏன்னா இது வந்து மைனர் செக்டார் இல்லையா, மைனர் செக்டார், இது வந்து மைனர் செக்டார். இப்போ இந்த இது மட்டும் நமக்கு வேணும். இப்போ இந்த மைனர் செக்டார்லேருந்து இதை மட்டும், இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளை மட்டும் மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டோன்னா நமக்கு இது மட்டும் கிடைக்கும். இந்த டோட்டல்லேருந்து இதை மட்டும் மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டோன்னா இது மட்டும் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஓகே, இப்போ இதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம இங்கே ஓன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். திஸ் அண்ட் இஸ் ஏ, திஸ் இஸ் பின்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். இங்கே ஏதோ ஒரு பாயிண்ட் பின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, இப்போ வந்து நமக்கு இந்த ஏரியா மட்டும் வேணும், இந்த மைனர் செக்மெண்ட் மட்டும் வேணும். எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் அது? அப்போ ஏரியா ஆஃப் செக்டார், OAPB மைனஸ் ஏரியா ஆஃப் ட்ரையாங்கிள் OAB. இப்போ இந்த டோட்டல் இதிலிருந்து இதை மட்டும் மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டோன்னா நமக்கு இந்த பார்ட் கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா? ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட் வந்து இந்த ஏரியா ஆஃப் செக்டார் என்ன வரும் நமக்கு தெரியும், 360 டிகிரி டோட்டலாக. அதில் இது எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? 90 டிகிரி, ரைட், இன்ட்டு பை ஆர் ஸ்கொயர்ட். ஓகே, அதை அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். அப்போ this is 90 degree by 360 degree into pi is 22. pi வந்து நமக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? 22.7 or 3.14. we have to use 3.14. yes, it is mentioned use pi is equal to 3.14. okay, so we have to put the value 3.14 for the pi r squared, r that we know already, that is 10 into 10, right? okay, now you can cancel this 0 and 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36. so 1 by 4 into, you can write it like this, 314 divided by 100, right? because 3.14 can be written as 314 divided by 100. okay, it is for the calculation purpose. so you can cancel this 0, and this is 314 by 4. how many 4s are there in 31? in 3 we cannot accommodate 4, so 7 4s are 28, right? balance 3, 34. how many 4s we have? 8 4s are 32, balance 2, 20, that is 5. okay, centimeter square. so the area of sector, this area of sector is 78.5 centimeter square. now we will find this one. this is area of sector OAPB, right? again we have to find area of triangle OAB, right? okay, in this thing what's the formula for a right angled triangle? that is, the formula is half into base into height. okay, because it is a right angled triangle which has 90 degree. one angle is 90 degree, right? so it is right angle triangle. so we have to use the formula half into base into height, right? We know that half, if you take this side as base, this is height, right? So this is also 10 centimeter because this is radius, right? This is also radius, both have same value. So what is base? That is 10. Height is also 10, right? So you can cut it down, have 5. So this is 50 centimeter squared, right? Already we know that. How can we find out the value of this minor segment? That is, we can get it from area of sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. We will get this value, right? So area of sector OAPB is 78. So area of minor sector is equal to area of OAPB. 78 minus 0.5 minus 50. This is equal to 28.5 centimeter square, because this is also area, unit in square. This is the answer. Okay. Now we have to find out the major sector, right? We have to find out this sector, right? You cannot include the triangle. So what would be the major sector? Because this is a circle, this has 360 degree, no? Totally. You have to subtract this 90 degree to get the value of this one. So this is 360 minus 90 is 270 degree, right? 270 plus 90 is 360. So what's the formula for the sector? The same formula. So area of major sector, okay, is equal to the same formula, 360 degree. Here theta is 270 degree, right? Into the total area of the circle, that is pi r squared. We will write that 270 by 360 into, you have to use it as 3.14, right? Into r squared is 10 into 10, right? Okay. Now how many 9s are there? 0 0 we can cancel. How many 9s are there? We have 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, into, you can write it as 314 by 100, because 3.14 can be written as 314 by 100 into this thing, 10 into 10. You can cancel this 100 and this 10 into 10. So this is 3 into 314 by 4. Okay. Again this is 2 1 5 7, right? So 157 into 3, 3 7s are 21, balance 2, 3 5s are 15, 17. Okay. So the answer would be C. You do the calculations properly. This is 10 into 10, 3 by 4, 22 by 7, 10 10. Okay. You will get the answer of 235.5 centimeter square. You do the calculation part from here. You just practice all those things. Okay guys, thank you. I will see you in the next video with the next question. Thank you.